Hey guys, for this lecture, I'm now going to show you how to save the file. So let's say you've done some work, you've typed some stuff up, put some pictures in, and so on. Now, we don't want to lose this file. We don't want to have to keep making it over and over again. So we want to save it. So the way to do that is you want to go to this big blue file button at the top left corner. You want to click on that. Oops, what did I press there? File. Okay, and you're going to see the second button from the top, which is the Save As button. Okay, and you want to click that, and that's going to bring up the Save As window, as you can see. Now what you want to do is you just want to select where on your computer you want to save it. So we're just going to pick the desktop, okay, and we're going to call it Microsoft Word Training, okay, and put date 2014.11.13. That's just a habit of mine. Okay, and all you want to do is make sure that the save as type is Word document, which is the top of the list. Alright, and just press save. Now what you'll notice is that at the top of the file over here, right, it now says the name of your file. So now it is saved, it is on your computer, and you cannot lose it. Alright, and that's how you save a Microsoft Word file. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.